Hi, September 13th, I'm on College of DuPage website. This is an experimental site. Here is Florence, but down here is more. And I want to show you this. Shows 6 hours, 12 hours, prediction, 18 hours, 24 hours, 30, 36 hours. Now look at this over here and this. Okay, 48 hours, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102, 108, 114, 120. Look at how far this stretches. And then this too. This is Florence. And this is one coming up. Intriguing, isn't it? This is in telecast, and they are showing Florence here really well. You can see these rings and where it's expected to be a big problem. And you can see this path, which is really weird looking, where it's expected it will affect way up into almost central United States. But there is also this, which is a tropical storm with 85 miles an hour winds, 75 mile an hour winds. There is this thing, which says Florence, which is weird because that's that Florence the hurricane and Florence the tropical storm. How baffling is that? Seems to be centered from this area. I'm not sure what this triangular thing is right here. Tropical depression, I see. Okay. But if we move over here, we see this Manghut typhoon with winds of 165 miles an hour and gusts of 200 miles an hour. This Bardet, a tropical storm. And I'm going to go around this way because this is how IntelliCast works. And over here by Hawaii, we have this Olivia tropical storm. So there's a lot going on with all that. Let's take a look at earthquakes. Oops. Right there. .2 in Turkey, 5.3 in India, 5.2 in China. You know, it's been proven that earthquakes and tropical storms, hurricanes, look at that spot. That looks weird. I wonder what that is. Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but that is an unusual circular blob of cloud material, it looks like to me. A lot of earthquakes in Alaska, which is kind of normal. Oops. Sorry about that. My little hand is crippled here, and now it's not moving at all. Okay. And this is the RSOE 3DIS alert map. And as you can see, this here, this, 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 that. And then if we move down the page, they have current emergencies 3 days ago, epidemic hazard in Italy. And if you click on the details, it will take you to it, such as, just let me show you an example. Summary, medical and public health. Description tells you much more details. Issued a health alert after 150 cases of pneumonia were recorded in a week. Okay, so then we go back and we get on short time events. Volcanic activity. This tells you the level of danger. Forest fire in Montana. Fire in Scotland. Doesn't look very good. Explosion in India. Landslide in Sudan. Hazmat in Maryland. So this is very interesting to me. Biological hazard, the entire coastline for the state of Oregon. And what is the description on that? An unusually high number of dead and dying seabirds have been washing up on Oregon beaches this summer, alarming some scientists and rescue groups. Aquarium receives 3 starving common mirror chicks, bringing its total to 31. Mass warm water, seen a repeat of 2014-15, the so-called blob. A mass of warm water that hung around the Pacific resulted in a mass die-off of these animals. This year something has changed. It says researchers counted at least 130 mer chicks that fledged, passing the 15-day period where they were cared for by their adults. I'm so sorry. Concerned that California's situation might be a precursor to what we're going to see later. Let's see what else is going on. Backwards. And then if you go down, they have long time events. This isn't that long ago, tropical storm in Japan. 11 days, it's not that long ago. These complex emergencies are interesting. In Peru, 14 days ago. Description. A 60-day health emergency in 2 provinces, citing imminent danger to health and sanitation as a regional crisis sparked by thousands of Venezuelans fleeing economic collapse escalated on Tuesday. The decree published in the government's official gazette did not give more details on the risk, but health authorities have previously expressed concerns about the spread of disease such as measles and malaria from migrants. Meanwhile, Brazil was sending armed forces to keep order near Venezuelan border area. Oh yeah, we'll talk about that they're going to spread disease if they come while they're trying to run to someplace safe. Interesting. This is the Spruce Eats, your guide to disaster cooking food for emergencies. Usually in emergency situations, the power goes out and your refrigerator, freezer, and oven become useless. So, canned and dry foods, collect easy recipes, shelf stackable items, juice boxes, stock and broth in boxes, dried fruit, snack items. Rotate your stock of canned and dried food. Make sure to get the Parmesan cheese sold in a plastic container. That cheese is meant to be stored at room temperature even after the package is open, so it's great to have on hand. And then it talks about all this produce. Water is an important staple. Yeah, I want to say that again. Water is important. A gallon of water per day per person. Prior to Hurricane Katrina, experts recommended that keep enough around for 3 days, but 1 or 2 weeks worth of supplies is a better idea. And then have stuff for your pets, bottled water, flashlights, lights, candles. I use not candles, but emergency lights. A can opener, matches, medicine, first aid kit. Keep your cell phone with you and make sure batteries are well charged. You can grill outside, make dinner packets with heavy-duty foil, and then it's easy to clean up with paper plates, cups, and plastic. Now that's for probably someplace in the United States. Okay, and this is really important. Parasites in drinking water and how to remove them. According to what I was reading, even bleach doesn't remove them, and they have waterborne diseases, are linked to serious health problems on here. Cryptosporidium, present in lakes, rivers, through sewage and animal waste. It can survive a long time. Giardia intestalis, live in water for several months. Toxoplasma gondii, believed to infect up to 1/3 of the global population. It can cause symptoms in infants, especially in those with weakened immune systems. It can spread through contaminated dirt and water, fruits and vegetables, undercooked meat, and cat feces. Duraniculus mendes, a type of roundworm. When people swallow these parasites found in drinking water, larvae move from the intestines to the skin where they cause sores. Entamoeba historica can cause amniobiasis, or this is diarrhea. It's normally ingested in drinking water contaminated with fecal matter, which is poop. The good news is there are plenty of natural treatments that are effective at helping the body kill. Okay, they are on here, according to here. Turmeric. Add plenty of turmeric to your food. Lemon seeds, milk and castor oil, seeds of papaya. Next time you eat papaya, just swallow the seeds. Garlic, rice vinegar, pomegranate juice will not only kill parasites, but will keep your body free from parasites. Coconut water can kill parasites. Chewing on raw and grated coconut will also kill them. And you can prevent them by cleaning and disinfecting. Stop consuming animal products. Eat adequate raw fruit and vegetables. Include herbs. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Boil your tap water. Use a water filter. Do not let your pets, like cats or dogs, get near your kitchen. Wash your hands with soap and water. That's one of the biggest deals right there. Wash your hands with soap and water. Wear gloves if you're out in your garden. And if you have pets, do not feed them with raw or undercooked meat. All right, I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service. Bye-bye.